No need asking, keep this hold up, yeah. Can't get to me, keep to myself. I got demons, can't expose, yeah. Keep it focused, money, motive. Trust issues I got don't go away. Been lied to in my face, I just can't relate. What is the point of it all? I can't believe in a God, yeah. Preachers will tell you lost, just to find out that they lost, yeah. This sink or swim, how to let go of some friends. How you stab me in my back and still wanna pretend. Let that sink in. Oh no, let that sink in. What do y'all keep on chasing? Pop that shit so basic. Really wasn't even gon' say shit, but most you be faking. Tired, I wanna just lay here. Sometimes I can't take it. Don't let me lose my pace. You on that lane. Let me get your reasons. I got something for it. It's not a threat, I promise, but there's another story. If you can't figure out a change, then I'ma make it for you. If you can't figure out your way, then they gon' take it from you. This sink or swim. How to let go of some friends. How you stab me in my back and still wanna pretend.